Hi dear customers, this is Casey from Guangzhou Tobacco Company. Today I'd like to share some chemical which can make the fashion leather for you from the original cow leather. So see, this is a filler, okay, and you can see here has acrylation and casing, polyurethane, oil and wax, stucco. So now first let me show you the original, this one. So you can see this is the original leather, cow leather, really leather. And you can see this one is the finished leather already, which is shining, softer, and very beautiful, very fashion. If you buy the chemical from us, we will teach you how to make the leather through the original cow leather. So see here, we have the process. This is the water. First step, second step, third step, fourth step. So for every step, we will let you know water, how much gram you need, and penetrant, how much. For example, this is the QLQ PD 5504 penetrant, 150 gram, and the dye stuff 50. Mix all of them, and then we will do the beat and shake leather. This is the technology process, and this is the chemical process. So for every leather, for example, this is also the newest model and the fashion band. And see here, have a 5 step. We write down every step with our QAQ chemical here. Also this one, this is the flat one. So you can see, write down all the process here already. You can see, okay. And this is also very fashion. This one, this year, also very fashion. So we also write in the process and the technology, how you can do, and also, for example, the temperature and how much kilo for 1 barrel you can do, and how many seconds. And for the supply, how many ties, 1 tie or 2, 3 tie, we are writing for every leather. So if you are interested for our subsidies chemical, you are welcome to contact us.